Good day po teachers! Welcome back po dito sa Learning Pal kung saan po tayo nag-share ng latest DepEd news and updates and free learning resources. So teachers, may good news po tayo dahil naglabas na po ng amendments ng DepEd para po sa ating bakasyon. Ito po yung ating pinakahihintay dahil matapos ang ating mga school-related paperworks ay deserve po natin ng bakasyon. So dito po sa guidelines, let me read po na magkakaroon po tayo ng 60-day vacation for teachers and learners. At yung 30 days po dito ay designated as a period for teachers and learners to relax and enjoy well-deserved personal time without school-related commitments. At ang bago po dito ay ito pong 30-day vacation of teachers shall be implemented on a flexible arrangement. So, ibig sabihin, tayo po yung mag-determine kung kailan po natin ito i-apply itong 30-day vacation po natin. At ito po ay continuous or pwede rin pong in a staggered basis. At naka-spread out during the school break po natin from April 16 hanggang June 1, 2025. Okay po. So, para po makapag-avail ito ay kailangan daw po natin mag-submit ng intent or options of the declared 30-day break to the ating po mga school heads. So, kung check po natin yung ating calendar, so April 16 daw po ang start. So, pwede po natin i-staggered basis or pwede rin pong continuous basis yung ating ilagay, So, say 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, pwede pong dire-diretso. And then, pwede pong lumaktaw. And then, mag-start po tayo ng May 1, 2, 5, 6, yung meron pong election-related. Pwede po yung mag-skip or staggered basis yung ating flexible vacation. And, sabi rin po, kailangan natin mag-submit ng letter of intent. Meron po kong prepare na letter po, na free. So, pwede nyo po yung ma-download dun po sa ating comment section or sa description po ng video to. So, yun lang po mga teachers. And I hope nakatulong po tong video to para maintindihan po natin yung bago pong labas na DepEd memorandum regarding po sa ating vacation. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat.